Before we begin, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss quick Microsoft Teams tips to make your virtual meetings look sharp and professional. Today, I'm going to show you how to change your background in Microsoft Teams so you can enhance your virtual presence and always look camera ready no matter where you are. Start by opening your Teams app and selecting the meeting you're about to join. Once you're in, look for the familiar camera icon. Right next to it, you'll see a small drop-down menu. Click that. From here, choose More Video Effects and Settings. This is where you can tweak your video appearance and choose from a range of backgrounds. Whether you are calling from your bedroom, a cafe, or a less than home ready location, Teams let you pick a virtual backdrop that fits the mood, the meeting, or your personal style. Browse the options until you find one you like. Then click Preview to see how it looks behind you before going live. This quick check makes sure your background isn't too distracting and fits the tone of your meeting. If you're happy with it, click Apply and turn on video. Your chosen background is now live and you're ready to join the meeting with a polished, professional look. And that's it. Changing your Microsoft Teams background is quick, easy, and makes a huge difference in how you present yourself online. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Teams tips, and share it with someone who wants to level up their video call game.